The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is one of the most highly anticipated upcoming action cameras in the photography and videography community, generating intense curiosity and speculation even though it has not been officially announced yet, with insiders, industry analysts, and tech enthusiasts all closely watching leaks, patent filings, and market trends to predict what the next generation of this flagship action camera will deliver, especially given the massive success of its predecessor, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which launched in October 2024 and quickly became a benchmark in 8K action videography thanks to its Leica co-engineered lens system, delivering exceptional color accuracy, impressive dynamic range, and sharp, detailed imagery that rivaled even full-frame sensors in specific scenarios. With the Ace Pro 2 still dominating sales charts and receiving excellent user reviews for both professional and enthusiast videographers, Insta360 appears to be taking a cautious, strategic approach to the Ace Pro 3 launch, which was initially expected in 2025 window following the company's typical annual release cycle. Yet recent developments and subtle supply chain hints indicate a probable delay, with the Ace Pro 3 now more likely to debut sometime in the first half of 2026, potentially between the second and third quarters, a delay primarily attributed to the company's desire to maximize the market longevity of the Ace Pro 2, which saw fresh life in late 2025 with the Super Motocross Edition and specialized content creator bundles that emphasized video-centric accessories, unique mounts, and innovative add-ons, signaling that Insta360 prefers strengthening the ecosystem around its current flagship rather than rushing a replacement to market, a move that also strategically positions the Ace Pro 3 to compete in a market landscape that is gradually heating up, particularly with DJI's release of the Osmo Action 6 in November 2025, featuring a large 1/1.1-inch stacked sensor, variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, and 8K capable hardware, though DJI deliberately limits the current model to 4K video recording, presumably reserving true 8K capture for a future professional edition, meaning that as of now, no mainstream action camera brand offers genuine 8K video outside the 360-degree format, and models such as GoPro Max 2 or Osmo 360 remain in a different category due to their immersive 360 degrees capture rather than traditional action camera form factors, a situation that conveniently allows Insta360 to wait and avoid cannibalizing Ace Pro 2 sales with a premature Ace Pro 3 release. While market speculation also suggests a pricing range for the new Ace Pro 3 between $549 and $599, a significant step up from the Ace Pro 2's launch price of $399. Yet this increase could be justified by rumored upgrades including a larger 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor fine-tuned by Leica, advanced HDR and log profile 8K recording at 30 fps, 4K at 120 fps in 10-bit color depth, and high-speed 108op slow motion capabilities, alongside improved flow state stabilization, AI-powered editing and tracking tools, extended battery life with ultra-fast charging, reinforced waterproofing suitable for extreme sports, enhanced audio capture, and a rugged, modular chassis designed for durability and adaptability in all types of adventure environments, positioning the Ace Pro 3 as potentially the most advanced action camera on the market, while the continued Leica partnership, first established in 2020 and renewed in March 2025, promises the same level of optical precision and color science refinement that professional filmmakers and content creators have come to trust, a collaboration that may also introduce new lens coatings, anti-reflective technologies, and cinematic image processing pipelines unique to the Ace Pro line. Beyond the camera itself, the broader landscape of 8K action and 360-degree filming is undergoing a shift with products like the One Drone, which has captured the imagination of creators globally by integrating an 8K 360 degrees camera system into a compact, user-friendly aerial platform, allowing pilots to fly without worrying about framing, angles, or camera orientation, since every direction is captured simultaneously. enabling post-production freedom to select the perfect shot from multiple perspectives, whether forward, backward, sideways, downward, or even self-facing, effectively democratizing cinematic aerial capture and reducing the learning curve for beginners, vloggers, extreme sports enthusiasts, and travel content creators alike, who now can achieve professional-looking results without mastering complex FPV piloting techniques, while DJI responds with products like the Insta360 and Avid drones, reflecting a competitive evolution where one design philosophy favors an intuitive 360 degrees camera drone for creativity-first users, while the other emphasizes speed, precision, and manual FPV performance, creating a dynamic environment in which the Insta360 Ace Pro 3's release timing, feature set, and price point will be critical in defining its market impact, with early rumors also suggesting features that could include enhanced AI stabilization, real-time tracking, cinematic slow-motion capabilities, multi-format HDR video, and superior low-light performance, along with modular accessories such as external microphones, protective mounts, and specialized shooting rigs, making it ideal not only for action sports but also for travel, filmmaking, and content creation across multiple platforms, ultimately setting a new benchmark for premium action cameras and reinforcing Insta360's reputation for pushing technological boundaries, especially in the competitive $500 to $600 price range, where buyers increasingly seek professional-grade quality, intuitive software, and a holistic ecosystem of accessories, making the Ace Pro 3 a likely candidate to redefine expectations in the action camera segment, while also reflecting the growing trend of AI-driven videography, cinematic capture automation, and cross-platform compatibility that appeals to both hobbyists and professional creators looking to maximize both creative freedom and production efficiency, a trend that continues to influence the entire action camera and drone market globally, and one that makes the Ace Pro 3 a potentially transformative release that could dominate social media, streaming content, and online video platforms, shaping the next generation of visual storytelling, just as the One drone has redefined aerial perspectives and DJI prepares to counter with the Insta360, establishing an exciting era where innovation, user-friendly design, and advanced imaging converge to deliver unprecedented creative possibilities for both amateur and professional content creators alike, emphasizing a broader movement toward devices that empower users to capture, edit, and share immersive, high-quality video with minimal technical barriers, signaling that the action camera market is entering a new phase of accessibility, capability, and cinematic potential that could influence the way we think about filming adventures, sports, travel, and everyday moments for years to come.